Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share another episode of Christmas for Chelle, and I'm going to create 2 Christmas DIYs using our favourite colour of all, blush pink. I hope you enjoy. So guys, what I'm doing here is I shopped my own home. I picked out 2 items that I already had, and I'm going to give them a little makeover. Now, I picked up this cute little caravan camper last year from Kmart. Now, basically, I really loved it, but it just wasn't Chelle's style. And it's basically been sitting in my garage for the last 12 months. And I always had a vision of what I wanted to do to it. So today is going to be that day. I did here is I took some masking tape and I covered up the little wheels. Now, using my favourite blush candy pink by Rust-Oleum, I took the little camper outside and gave it 2 coats.
Come on. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas.
Now, I was already excited, guys, how cute this was looking. I love blush candy pink so much. Now, what I'm going to do is just add some decorative details. I took some white paint here, guys, and I just painted the door. Now, this took about 3 coats in total, and I also painted a white stripe across the front. Also went in and I painted a little curtain. I wanted to give the illusion of a little curtain inside the window. Now, the details on the little camper look like string lights hanging across the front. So what I'm doing here, guys, is just taking the end of my paintbrush and I'm dabbing it with some white paint. Now, if you make any errors, the best part about this is you can just wipe off with a paper towel and start again. everything was completely dry, what I'm going to do is just take this Sharpie pen and add some decorative touches.
The chimney clean, you know what I mean, 'cause tomorrow is the day. I can hear the sleigh bells ringing, how they're headed for our house, and the radio keeps singing what the seasons all
Now on the little curtain, I just went in and added some decorative dots. So I coloured in little black dots to give the illusion that that was on the fabric. I also took the pen and did an outline around the door and created a barn door, as well as going over the white stripe. Guys, of course this wouldn't be a Chelle DIY without a touch of Chanel. I had some spare Chanel ribbon, and what I'm going to do is hot glue it to the front of the stripe. On the front of the barn door, I wanted to add my initial. I took this self-adhesive sticker and placed it at the front. Now at the back of the camper, I added this cute little dollar store glitter bow, as well as this beautiful brooch that I picked up from Spotlight. Now taking this gorgeous gold dollar store Christmas tree, I'm going to hot glue that to the top of my camper. Now while that was drying, I started on my second DIY. I picked up these two large Christmas bells last year at my local dollar store. I really liked them, but I just didn't like that they weren't matching colours. So today I decided that I would give these a little makeover as well. I started first of all by removing the red berries. I wanted them completely gone. So using my favourite Rust-Oleum Gloss Candy Pink again, I took the bells outside and gave them 2 coats.
First flake of snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that
Now once the bells were completely dry, I had these beautiful buffalo check ribbons, which are from Amazon, and I'm going to add one to each of the bells.
There's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow is said to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope
So guys, I ended up using the pretty bells in my entryway on my arched mirrors. I love mixing pinks and golds with my shiplap wall. I really feel like my style is definitely glamorous and farmhouse mixed together, and I really love how I took those elements in these simple DIY bells. I really love the mix of buffalo check and blush pink. I think those two colours work so beautifully together, and I love that I added these bows to the pink bells.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne?
Now guys, do you remember last year I did a DIY blush pink Chanel truck? I love this little truck so much, and I knew it would go so perfect with my little camper. I also added my DIY telephone booth. I was inspired by the book London in Bloom, and I really love how all these little DIYs go so perfectly together. Now if you'd like to see those videos, I'll leave them linked for you down below.
We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear. For old lang syne.
Now, if you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves to decorate my home for all seasons. I love sharing DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne?
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and home tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.